So things are definitely weird right now with this whole coronavirus lockdown quarantine situation, but I do believe it presents a somewhat unique opportunity for those who are willing to take advantage of it. So what I'll be advocating in this video is that instead of watching Netflix or watching TikTok videos, now that you have all this downtime because we're stuck in our homes, which by the way, get out a little bit, but I will be advocating in this video that instead of spending all that downtime just doing whatever nonsense, use that time to build a business. And so in this video, I'm going to go through 7 different businesses that I think are smart businesses that you could start right now in lockdown and in quarantine. And I know there are things out there like Sweatcoin where you get paid for walking, or you can fill out surveys and get a little change, or watch videos and get some change, stuff like that. But that's not the stuff I'm going to be covering in this video. It's going to be actual real businesses that you can be building right now that hopefully when all this passes, you have a real business sitting there that can make you some real money. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. So the first one is to just start a social media marketing agency. In other words, just go help people with their social media, whether that's running ads or creating content, just social media stuff. And in the video that I uploaded yesterday titled "Has the Lockdown Affected My Businesses?" which is a really interesting video. I definitely think you should go give it a watch. But I talked about a guy that was running a local gym, and he's obviously had to shut that down, which is devastating for his business. But he made the smart move of the workouts that he would teach in his gym. He created a YouTube channel, and he's been uploading those videos to his YouTube channel. And he reached out to me to talk to me about potentially running some ads to help him grow his channel. And he's just one of many right now. A lot of people will be, maybe haven't started social media and need help starting it. And then other people, businesses, maybe they've had social media, but because they're physical location businesses have taken such a hard hit, they're really looking for just more effort and more success to happen through their social media. And I want to try and do a little bit better than just say like social media marketing agency, go help people with their social media. I want to try and give you like some actual tactics that you can use to find people, open up conversations with people who may potentially need help with social media stuff. And also like have some social media skills, know how to run ads, know how to post content, know how to grow a social media account. And it could be TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook ads, LinkedIn organic, but there's, social media covers a wide range. But just like I gave in the example, there's people who need help with their social media right now, especially right now because they've had to close down the other aspects of their business. So I just want to go through like a few different ways you could try and communicate and find some people. So one way, and this is actually how the guy this example that I gave you, this is how he contacted me, is because I have an Upwork profile. Upwork is a freelancing website, and I just have a profile on there that, has a portfolio and some skills, like what my skills are and stuff. And so he was searching, saw me, reached out, and that conversation was opened up. So right there, go create an Upwork profile. Also Fiverr. I've never really messed with Fiverr that much, but that's also another freelancing type of website where people are looking for those sorts of skills. Another thing you can do is TikTok right now, because it has pretty good organic reach, meaning like if you upload a video, there's a good chance that a decent number of people are going to see it. You can just start making videos about your social media skills, and I'm not gonna dive into like what kind of creative to make, how to make those videos, but TikTok is a place where for free you can post a video about social media, how to do stuff on social media, etc., and reach people for free. Next is LinkedIn. So maybe you already have a bunch of followers or connections on LinkedIn, and you can just do organic posts. And also LinkedIn has a little bit of organic reach right now, so doing that. And then also so here's the tip. You can also just go seek out people, so here's the tip. Go seek out people on LinkedIn with physical location businesses that have been closed down, and open up the conversation with them. Now, if we look at my LinkedIn, here, let's actually do this right here. All right, so if we look at these invitations that I get, like this guy right here, hi, I'd like to connect and be part of your network. This girl, hi Alex, I'd like to connect to find out more about what you do. Hey, although I've never gotten a chance to work with you directly, I've heard rave reviews about your sales techniques. Hi Alex, it's great to meet you. And that, by the way, that's not, he didn't actually. This one, hey Alex, it's great to meet you. I saw that we have a few mutual connections. And it goes on and on and on. So what I'm getting at is, frankly, just don't be one of these people that sends some generic, lame message like that. Like, actually take the time, look into their businesses, put some thought into the message so that they know that you've taken the time to learn about them and know what their business is. And if you've done that and then can present them with a social media solution to the problems that they're having right now, or a social media way to help grow their business right now, that's going to work way, way better than if you're just like, hey, let's connect, I'd love to talk to you. Like, that's just super generic. Immediately that says this person is just trying to build connections and not actually doing any research into who I am, what I do, nothing like that. Another thing you can do, and I think LinkedIn is a much better way, but you can just cold email people, find their email, send them an email. But again, take the time to learn about the person, learn about their business, and offer real solutions and open up a real conversation instead of just like, hey, I can help you with your social media. Take time, make real effort. And then also, this one, for some reason, I think could actually work really well right now, just because everyone's locked down. Go old school. Well, yeah, go old school with flyers. The thought I had while I was saying that was you can even just knock doors and talk to people, but that will probably trip some people out because the whole spreading the virus thing. But you could definitely just go throw around some flyers, and people will see them. It's not like they're all that much out and about, so you definitely have a good chance of people actually seeing your flyer, picking it up, and reading it. So let's move into number 2 now, which is to just do some consulting. So if we just kind of use that same gym guy example, maybe I don't end up running ads for him, but maybe we can jump on an hour call and I can charge him a little bit, and I can break down for him what are some good ways to grow his YouTube channel. So whatever skills, whatever expertise you have, and you can use those same steps I just went through for social media marketing, Upwork, TikTok, LinkedIn, all that stuff, again, to find people, to reach out with people, open up conversations. But it's a slight difference here, kind of, but instead of actually doing the work of running ads for them or posting content, growing their account, maybe it's just a conversation that they pay you a little bit for, where you explain to them all the different things and all the different strategies and ways that they can, whatever it is, if it's growing a social media account, how they can grow their social media account. Number 3 is to create and sell online courses, and you can build online courses around all kinds of different topics. So if we look here at udemy.com, which is a place where you can upload teaching videos where you're teaching someone how to do something, whatever it is. So if we look at categories right here, you'll see there's all kinds: development, business, IT, software, design, marketing, photography, health and fitness. And then within each of those, there's a bunch of subcategories: safety and first aid, dieting, yoga. And then within those, there's even more subcategories. So you could definitely come poke around on here, get an idea of what kind of courses you could create, what kind of topics you could create courses around and teach about, and then just create the videos and upload them here on Udemy. Another place you can go is teachable.com. So Udemy is like, people can go there and find all different sorts of courses. Teachable, you can't, so they've got the beta right here, explore courses. But for the most part, people don't really come onto Teachable to search for courses. Teachable will host your course. You can build it on different modules and have different lessons inside those modules here on Teachable, but then you'll want to promote your Teachable link however you want to promote it, through ads, through your YouTube channel, whatever it is, through your email list. And here's some examples of what these courses actually look like so you can have a better idea of what I'm explaining. So right here, here's like a digital scrapbooking one, and here's what it looks like with all the so let's go Digital 6 new Digi Tricks. So this is a $59 one, and if you give a little info here about what your course is. And then if we look down here at the bottom, you'll see the course curriculum where it's got the different modules with the different lessons in them. And I should have mentioned this earlier, but I have several playlists about how to run Facebook ads, how to run Instagram ads, for example, if you want to run ads to promote your course, or also, if, like number one, social media marketing agency. Those videos would definitely be helpful for how to run ads and all that. So if you're interested, definitely make sure and go check out those playlists. And I always forget to say this in my videos. Shows how much I actually care about it. But the YouTube algorithm cares about it, so if you don't mind, drop a like on this video, the thumbs up, thanks. Number 4 is to start a drop shipping business, and you'll definitely need to know how to run some ads, so my playlist would definitely come in handy for this. But if you don't know what drop shipping is, it's basically just finding a product that already exists, running ads for that product, like putting that product on a website, running ads to get people to go to your website and buy it. But what drop shipping means is that when they buy it, the manufacturer of that product ships it straight to the customer. So you don't ever buy inventory from the manufacturer, bring it to yourself or to a warehouse, and then ship it to the customer. And I've actually been watching some drop shippers just because I'm curious, how all this lockdown stuff has been affecting them. And I'm sure some have definitely been affected, but I've also seen other ones that are even starting new drop shipping businesses that are working. So people are still buying products, and I don't know, maybe even if you went more towards essential products, drop shipping essential types of products, then maybe that would even be a much better way to go right now. Number 5 is to start an Amazon business. And I'll just clear the air. I know this question is out there, like, is that smart right now? And I look at it this way. Amazon's not going anywhere. Definitely a lot of retail stores have already, their businesses are already done. As this continues, this whole lockdown thing, more will just be done. But Amazon is very well poised to survive because they're the ones that have the website that everybody knows about that you can go to and buy product. They're the ones that have the infrastructure for delivering products to everybody's homes since they can't go out to all the different places. So Amazon's going to be there through all of this and is going to come out even stronger through all of this. So I do think it's a good idea to start an Amazon business, selling product on Amazon, specifically start an Amazon FBA private label business. And so that's a little long right there, but what that means, Amazon.com, FBA means fulfilled by Amazon, and that just refers to Amazon has warehouses all across the country, all across the world. And basically what you do is you just send your inventory to their warehouses and they pick, pack, and ship every order to your customer, so you don't ever have to handle order fulfillment, delivering packages to your customers. And if you do that, you also don't have to do any customer service. Amazon will handle that for you. And the trick to successfully selling on Amazon is which product you choose to sell on Amazon, because some products on Amazon get tons of sales and make a lot of money, and other products don't make any at all. So how can you figure out which ones are good ones to sell on Amazon? And there's actually a really cool tool. I use this tool. I sell on Amazon. I also have a playlist that will break down exactly how to sell on Amazon private label products and use FBA. So definitely check out that playlist. But the tool that I use and the tool that you'll want to use to figure out which products are good ones to sell is Helium 10, and I'll leave it linked in the description below. Also, I have a full Helium 10 playlist separate from like my straight Amazon FBA playlist. But anyways, that tool, so I've got the tutorials there for you already on how to use the Helium 10 tools to figure out which products are good products to sell on Amazon. So again, I think smart to start an Amazon business. I don't think Amazon's going anywhere. And with all this downtime, grab the Helium 10 tool, do the research, find good products to launch on Amazon. Number 6, start a YouTube channel. I gave a really good example of this at the beginning of the video with the gym guy that had to close down his gym. He was very smart in starting a YouTube channel and trying to grow a YouTube channel. In fact, he'll be able to reach way more people through that channel than he's ever been able to reach just through his gym, right? I'm not saying that's a good thing that his gym's down, but it is a good thing that he started a YouTube channel because that's a really good opportunity for him. And what do you know? I have a playlist on how to start and grow a YouTube channel, how to get views, how to get subscribers, how to upload videos that people will find and subscribe to and all that, and then how to monetize your channel and make money from it. So definitely go check out that playlist. You'll need to do some research into, and I definitely recommend picking a topic, a niche that you're passionate about, because YouTube takes time. It takes time to create a video and upload it and optimize it. Like it's not quick. You've got to put some real time and work into it. So if you do that, and if you make videos around topics, interests, niches that you're passionate about, that you enjoy, it makes going through that time and potentially slow growth just a lot easier. And the crazy thing about YouTube is there's all different kinds of topics and niches that are extremely successful. So for sure, you have a hobby, an interest, a passion that can absolutely be a successful niche YouTube channel. Oh, and also I would say this can actually help your YouTube channel grow a lot faster right now, is by uploading TikTok videos. Again, I mentioned this earlier in the video, but TikTok just has really good organic reach right now, meaning you can get a lot of people to see the video just by uploading it. And so that, whatever your topic, whatever your YouTube niche is, start posting like shorter versions of that on TikTok and have your YouTube linked, and you'll likely get a good number of people that will go from your TikTok to your YouTube and subscribe to your YouTube channel. I've seen that happening a ton, like where people have been trying, like I'm thinking to myself right now, I really should be posting on TikTok, because I don't post on TikTok, but I've seen it so many times where people post, like where they've been trying to grow a channel for years and it's not really growing much, but then they started posting on TikTok, and now their YouTube channels grown more than it ever has before. So that's definitely a strategy to take advantage of for growing a YouTube channel. Number 7 is to start a podcast. And wow, has it ever been a better time than now to start a podcast? I mean, there's all the time in the world. It's a matter of just talking. So yeah, if you're inclined to a certain topic and you can talk on it for a while, I would definitely consider starting a podcast right now.